Ooh. Shades of Dominique. Sticking out of the dirt, right on top. Right on top. Let's see if it is. Oh my god, it is. And it looks like a large coin. Right over here. You can see that. That's an Indian head right there. Hi, how you doing? I haven't been out for a while. I've been under the weather, so today is Sunday, November 13th. My son and I are in the cornfield again here, and he's up there. I'm letting him use my AT Pro because he's thinking of getting one this spring. So I figure he'll get used to it, and who knows, maybe he'll find a coin, you know. And right now I'm using the White's Treasure Master, and hopefully he finds a coin before I do. So we'll see what happens. We'll be back if we find anything. See ya.
The old man digging, trying out my shovel.
Ooh, what is it? What is it?
It's a nut.
Huh?
It's a nut.
A washer? Those come in good too. Dang it! Thought you had one there. This is probably gonna suck because I'm doing a live dig. But this thing came in at 70s, 50s. Moved it up here. Is that it? No kidding. Oh my god. Little freaking piece of metal. Steve said he had a high tone of 80 here. I think it's big iron though.
Nope.
Nope. Is it a coin, Steve?
No.
What is it?
Looks like some sort of silver buckle.
Ooh.
Definitely a silver or something, because it's not. It's got ornate carvings on the outside of it.
Ooh. Nice. There's a hole in it?
Yep. It's a buckle of some sort.
Now I got my first hit with the Whites. It's a nice flat button. Nice flat button right there. Shank's broken. If I can focus in on it there. Nice little flat button. We'll take it. First hit with the Whites. Boy, I tell you, those things come in good, let me tell you. Another one of those right here. Another fuse, just like the other day. Another one, came in very good. No shank. Ooh, that's thin right there.
Yeah.
Could be. See anything? Oh, that's thin. Oh, I don't want to.
Thin.
Yeah, I would put that in your box and clean it. See if you can see anything. Could be a very old. It's so thin now, you know. It looks copper though.
Yeah. Hey guys, I'm out in the cornfield with my dad. He's way the heck up there. Trying out his Garrett AT Pro. It's a machine I'm looking at getting for myself. I like it so far. It's relatively easy to use once you get the hang of it. I found a buckle and possibly a coin. I may have found my first coin. I definitely found my first buckle. Shovel testing is going out good. This thing is a beast when it comes to digging in cornfields. That's where I'm at. I think, oh yeah, my father found a coin too. It's his first coin he finds while I'm with him. So, yeah, I'll keep you updated if I find anything else. See ya.
Okay, so I was trying going perpendicular instead of horizontal and vertical. And looky what I found there. Another largie. And this was with the whites. And this largie came in the 60s. Came in the 60s. And can't tell what it is right now. I'm not gonna rub it too much. But it's number 8 for the year. We'll take it. And getting towards the end of the day now. The sun's getting pretty low. I sent Steve off to the place where the last got a big copper, hoping he finds one. He still has the AT Pro. I just got this with the whites treasure masher, nice buckle. We'll add that to the buckle. We'll add that to the buckle list.
Find anything?
Yeah, buckle.
I didn't find shit.
Let's call it a day.
You spoke slow with that.
So how'd you like it?
How did I like it?
Yeah, the AT Pro.
I'm looking forward to getting mine.
Oh, good, cool. That's good. Yeah, we had a pretty good trip. My son and I, Steve, and he seemed to like the AT Pro pretty good. Found his first buckle, and he had a good time. Good weather for November 13th. But anyway, here's what I got for today. I got the obligatory stainless steel spoon, and this another one of these. These things ring in awesome. I hate them. That's the second one I find there. A washer. These look like copper brackets of some kind, or brass brackets. Another D-buckle. A monument. A nice flat button. And this big two-piece button. It's a two-piece button. You can tell by the back here. It's huge. It says Paris on it. Anybody out there knows how old this button here is, let me know. But it's a two-piecer. Still got the shankage on it. And I got the largie. That's my 8th for this year. Pretty toasty, can't see anything on it, but still. I got that with the whites. Matter of fact, I got all of these with the whites Treasure Master. Shout out to the maniacs out there. I hope you're having a good time today. Sorry I couldn't go, but it'll be some other time. Take it easy, guys. See you later.